What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So a Patreon requested tutorial today, video game character. Don't do a lot of video game characters, but League of Legends Morgana. So let's just jump right into it. So we're going to start with our eyes. Landscape orientation page, use a pencil and hit pause if we go too fast. So we're going to start with our eye. We can only really see one eye anyway. So center of my page is about here. Come up over to the right, okay? So we're going to curve a line. So she's got like big black eyelashes. So curve a line up and over. And then this eyelash kind of sticks out here a little bit, and then we bring it back and just thicken it up. So a real thick line, like that. And then our bottom eyelid line, open around and over into there. You can thicken this line up a little bit as well. Okay, because she's like heavy makeup and stuff like that. So, iris, circle with the top cut off, curves around, back up to there. And then pupil in the middle. You can kind of make a pupil as big as you want, but that's kind of a good size. Okay, eyebrow. So diagonal line there. And then we will go up this way. Kind of curves a little bit and then curves down. Like that. And then you just gotta make it a double line. So you go up, across, and then down to this thick part. She's quite thick eyebrows down at the top there. And we'll add just an eyelid line coming across the top of her eye. Just there. Okay, so her nose, we'll just go for a simple kind of nose, right? So we'll do a line straight down, kind of over to the left here, right? And then back. So we can't really see her other eye, so that's why I'm not worrying too much about it. And we'll just do a wee bit of a shadow just on this side. Okay, that's kind of easy sort of nose that we'll go for. So Morgana's nose, because she's a video game character, it's like a detailed, shaded nose. So we gotta sort of think on our feet and do something a bit different than what's in the video game. So nostrils either side, one here, one there. Okay. So lips, so real big lipstick sort of lips. So up the side, down, across here, and then down to there. So it always reminds me of a stretched out letter M. M, right? So, or the handle of a bow and arrow. Okay, that's what you're kind of going for. And then the line in the center, right? So we got underneath this middle part, so we got like a V sort of thing here. And then this line continues over to here. Same on this side. Like so. So the edge of her mouth kind of stops just underneath the inside of her iris, just there. And to make her look like she's semi-smiley, you can add a curved line up on the side there. Then big bottom lip, down, like so. You could add a shadow. Thicken up this sort of area if you wanted, just to make it look like there is a shadow underneath that lip, if you wanted. Not essential, but there you go. She also has like dripping black mascara coming down her face, just here. Okay, down there. You can colour that in black or dark grey. I'll probably colour it in dark grey afterwards, so I won't do it with my marker, but you could do it with your pencil or your marker if you wanted. So it just joins her eye makeup just there. So her chin. Right, so we have pretty standard shaped chin. So like just kind of semi-curved, not too pointy, just in between, right? Just there. And now if you're checking your proportion, just to make sure everything's in the right place, we'll check. Nostrils to chin, about the same as nostrils to top eyelid, really. Not really the center of our eye. Yeah, that's about the same. And then nose to bottom lip is about the same as bottom lip to chin. Okay, middle of her bottom lip because it's so big, and her eye's relatively big as well. So here to here, same as here to here. And then here to here, same as here to here. So once you get that sort of proportion, we'll do her jaw up like so. Stop just above her top lip because we got hair coming down here. Same on the other side. Okay, and then hair comes down both sides, covering her face nearly. Okay, so comes down, big piece of hair comes down across her face, like that. So, and like the other side of this, so we've got a spike here and comes out like so. This. That joins another piece of hair up there, but we'll do the rest first. So her fringe, got a line comes down across here. And then this other long piece of hair. So let's see, so like the other side of this fringe comes down into there, kind of. And then another piece of hair here. We got like, I kind of got a gap, so bit of a gap just there, and then this comes down to there. Okay, so I went a bit far with that line, I'll just get rid of it. And then this other big long piece of hair comes down like real long, crazy long, boop, down to there, and then we'll bring it back up. Okay, and this is actually going to go the whole way up and around to the top of her head, so like up to, say, here. It's like the top of her head up there. So eyes to, say, eyebrow to the top of her head is about the same as eyebrows to bottom lip line, the shadow on her bottom lip. So here to here is about the same as here to here. Okay, just if you're wondering how high to go up. So then we'll go and then we've got another piece of hair swipes across here, and it'll go up and off my page like that. And then it kind of wraps around. Like if you have more room, just bring that to a spike, and then it comes out like so, up to there, and then another sort of hair spike comes up that way. So they both go up to just a spike up. I couldn't fit them in, but if you can, go for it. Then another line for her hair. Down into there. And then another section just here. Like so. So under here is where her other eye is. We can't really see any of it. We could just see like a bit of her nose and maybe like some of the inside eyelid line, like there, and something coming across the bottom, maybe down to there, starting with the other sort of dark makeup and maybe some eyebrow lines just there somewhere, but you can't really see any. Right, so she's got these wings like that come around her head. I guess we should do those first. So we're starting this side, so we'll go curve line out like so, and then another one there just to show the bottom of that wing. So a couple of bumps like this, and then the bottom part of that curves around like this and then goes up the other side. And we're going to go up, and if you've room, bring them up to feathers, sort of a spike up the top. I'm just going to run it off the page there, and then bring it back down in here with some feathery sort of lines like this, down just in behind her head, and it's got a sort of a rim, just like an edge line to it, going up, tracing that line up to there. And of course you can add like texture lines and stuff if you want, but not 100% necessary. It's just sort of coloured in red and purple and pink. And she has another piece of hair that goes in behind that, so it like comes out from top of her head. She's real big hair, like that. So the other wing comes out from behind her neck. So we'll draw our neckline. So just in here, like so. And then this sort of comes out here. Yeah, there. Goes in behind her neck. And we have another sort of bumping section like this. And these touch her shoulders, just like come across her shoulders. So, but we'll do that in a minute. So this, bring it up and around, like so. And on this side, we have a few more feather sort of areas, for whatever reason. Don't know why it's not on the other areas, but bring it up. And this will just go up and off the page just up there, and you could have another spike just up here, or two. And we'll do some bumping sort of lines, just to show some texture. And maybe a rim sort of edge line coming up on this side of the feather, just up here. Like so. And then, so her, let's see, shoulders. I guess we'll do her shoulders. So this shoulder comes out to here, down touches that one, and the other shoulder, can we? Yes, out, down like so. And the reason we can't see the other side of her neck is because there's a big long piece of hair that comes down across here. So it like comes down, bumps across her chest, down behind that fur thing that's along here, and the other side of it is just here. And then, so this is like her shoulder here, comes down the other side, and then her arm comes down that way. And then her armpit is like here. the other shoulder down like so. And then we have, so I guess we'll do the medallion first. Yeah, we'll do that thing that's on her necklace. So on her neck, sorry. Just a curve line here. And then it's like a big piece of gold. Like it's just a big spiking hunk of gold. So like triangle sort of line there. And then we go diagonal down to a spike down here. Like that. Then there's a circle in the center. Like so. And to make it look a little bit 3D, we just got to do a line inside here. And then edge lines for the rest of this jewelry. Like some lines curving around here. And like down this way. Like so. Just to make it look like it's popping up off of her chest, just there. So then the rest of this curves out. So this looks like it's a whole neck piece that goes up the whole way up her neck. And you could add a sort of a neckline maybe there. And then there's another triangle sticking off here. And another one going in underneath her hair, just in there. Now, so that fur piece that comes across this entire area. So we've got like fur lines sticking up, coming down the middle. This is like, so this is like the center line for her chest. This is like the middle of her chest just here. And then these are like feathers and fur coming across here, okay? So we're just gonna add curving, feather, fur lines. Like so. Some sticking out. And then this will continue down and around, goes off my page, can't fit in the rest. And you can add some various lines like so on it, like that. And then her armpit line on this side, so it just goes like this and down like that. And then the underneath of her chest and her arm just sticks off that way. And then we do fur going all across like so. Comes down the side here. Sort of furring, spiking lines. Just goes down off my page. You might have some more texture lines on the inside of it. And so maybe just that side of her hair comes down here. And just the side of her. And just the side of her chest. Maybe there. Of what we could see of it anyway. So, I think that's everything. Yeah, that's it. How to draw Morgana from League of Legends. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for the request. See you in the next one.